Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Radosh and today we're going to be making the most amazing restaurant style hummus. I have found this recipe on an Instagram account called No Soup For You. So if you haven't, you have to go and follow her because she has the most amazing recipes and she's been kind enough to allow me to show you guys this one. So about the hummus, I don't know if you tried to make it at home, but chances are that if you did, something always doesn't end up right. So either it's the consistency or the color is not right, or it's just not like the one that you're trying in a restaurant. This is by far the best recipe that I have found and it makes for the best white creamy hummus. So stick around with me for the next couple of minutes, be exact with your measurements and let's make some hummus. First, we're going to soak 400 grams of dried chickpeas with a teaspoon of baking soda. Leave it to soak overnight or for at least 8 hours. The next morning, our chickpeas are doubled in size and we're going to rinse them well. Place them back into a pot, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and sauté on a medium-high heat for 3 minutes before adding the water. This step is very important, so set a timer and do it for 3 minutes. Cover them with water and cook until you see a foam appearing on top. Remove it with a spoon and let it cook for 1 hour and 30 minutes. After 90 minutes, our chickpeas will look like this. They're softened and the peel separated. Start adding cold water and rinsing them a couple of times like this so that you get rid of as much peels as possible. Just be careful not to spill the chickpeas as well. Transfer them to a food processor and start mixing. If you want to thin it out, add a bit of ice-cold water. Blend it until smooth and leave in the fridge for 30 minutes to cool down. Add 1 1/3 cup of tahini. Over here I'm using store-bought, but if you want you can also make it at home using roasted sesame seeds. Add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, a tablespoon of salt and blend it all together. Mix it well to combine and drizzle in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now the trick to make your hummus whiter. We will gradually add 5 cubes of ice in the food processor and you will see the color becoming lighter. Once you've reached a completely creamy consistency, put it in a seal-tight container and leave in the fridge overnight. The flavor will develop and you can adjust the seasoning in the morning. If you want it thicker, add more tahini and ice water will thin it out. Now I will show you how to make easy and healthy dipping crackers to go with your hummus. Take 5 tablespoons of flour. I'm using Spelt flour, but you can use whole wheat or white flour if you prefer. Now I will add the seeds that I found in my pantry. You can add whatever you have on hand. Here I have some blended flax seeds, some sesame and some sunflower seeds. To that I will add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a packet of baking powder, and a teaspoon of salt. Add 150 milliliters of water and mix well with a spatula so that there are no dry spots. Place 1/2 on a piece of parchment paper and cover with foil. Roll out to about 2 mm thickness and don't worry too much about the shape because we will be cutting it anyway. Place on a baking sheet and cut into rectangles. After that, bake it at 200-degree oven for about 20 minutes. After they cool down, place them in a sealed container, and stored like this, they will last you for about 7 days. And now back to our hummus. As you see, after we left it overnight in the fridge, it thickened up a bit, and we can go ahead and serve it. You can season it according to taste. If you like, you can put some chickpeas on it. On mine, I will put some paprika, olive oil, and pine nuts. Bon appetit! Hey guys, welcome back. I really hope you enjoyed today's recipe, and if you did, please leave this video a thumbs up, and if you still haven't, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, see you!